5 Bizarre History Facts. Number 1. We'll redefine what amazing means to you. Number 5. Napoleon was once attacked by rabbits. Number 4. In ancient Rome, flamingo tongue was considered a delicacy. Number 3. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than the pyramids. Number 2. The shortest war lasted 38 minutes. Number 1. Oxford University is older than the Aztec Empire. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop a comment. If you crave more unbelievable facts, hit subscribe.